In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the insert function in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're new to Excel or just looking to simplify your tasks, the insert function can be a real time saver when it comes to calculations. So let's jump right into it. Imagine you've got a collection of numbers that you'd like to add up, but typing out a whole formula feels like more effort than it's worth. This is where the insert function shines. The first thing you need to do is head over to the formula bar, which is located just above your spreadsheet. It's that blank space marked with FX on the left side. Click on this FX button to open the insert function dialog box. Once you've clicked on the FX button, a new window will appear. Here, you'll see a list of functions to choose from. Excel offers a wide variety of functions, but for our purpose right now, we're going to keep it simple. Let's choose the sum function, which is incredibly useful for adding up large sets of numbers. You can type sum in the search box, or you might even find it in the recommended functions if it's one you frequently use. After selecting the sum function, go ahead and click OK. You'll notice a new dialog box popping up, allowing you to specify the cells you want to include in your calculation. This is your opportunity to either pick and choose individual cells one by clicking on them, or if you prefer, you can drag your mouse cursor across a range of cells to select them all at once. This flexibility is one of Excel's many powerful features, making it easy to handle data in whatever way suits your workflow best. Once you've selected the data you want to include, confirm your selection and click OK again. Excel will automatically calculate the sum of all those cells and display the result in the cell where you started. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to perform calculations without manually entering each part of a formula. By taking advantage of the insert function, you save time and reduce the likelihood of making errors. As you become more comfortable with Excel, you'll find even more functions that can help automate your processes and boost your productivity. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the insert function in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial makes your experience with spreadsheets a bit easier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you next time.